I'm getting more of them than I am with you.
Well,
Call Hank.
they're more entertaining.
Call Hank. Call Hank.
Hankster! Come here.
There's
Hey,
Hank.
good boy. Ooh, what is it? Wow.
It's bubble wrap.
It's actually in a basket.
It is in a basket.
Oh, girls. Wilhelmina, knock it off. Chloe, stop. Chloe. Chloe!
See, little heifer. Call Hank.
Girls!
And call Hank.
Come here,
He's
Hank.
behind me. And he wants to lick my feet.
It's our puppies. What is it? Oh,
Yeah.
there we go. There we go. Put, you're not going to get in on this? Oh, you noticed? Really? Who kisses? He's a good girl. What is it? Let's see. We got shampoo. Good timing, too. You
All
just need
right.
baths.
You want a bath? Who wants a bath? Chloe's.
And yay!
Puppy
Puppy
care.
care. To read that here in a bit. And a brush. Whoops.
And now, is that for you or the dog?
As for the dogs, it's a
Oh.
slicker and a bristle.
Okay.
You guys want to be brushed? You want to be brushed? How about you? You want to be brushed? She goes, no. Not really. I'd rather chew the brush. How about the stuffy? You guys get a plushie.
Oh my.
Is that yours?
Okay, we recovered the plush toy from Willow.
So we can continue. What is it? You want one? You want one? Ah, we got the bug's attention.
No.
These soft, chewy salmon, grain-free. I wonder how well they'll like that.
I don't know. But we have an open box in the house, and that has attracted a cat.
So far, so good.
You know Hank will eat it. Hank likes anything.
Willow's picky with fish. Looks like the salmon works. Yep, it's gone. All right, you guys have had your dessert now. What do you guys think? No more? Ah, made in the USA as well. Alrighty. I think they like their Easter basket.
I think they did too.
Thank you very much to Animal Planet and Bark and Swagger for hosting the giveaway. They love it.